Hi everyone, today I will teach how to install rectangle V3 in Fusion page. If you do not have a rectangle V3, then link is in our description. After you install that, you see this rectangle V3, then extract from here or right click, then after here is a extract. After you extract button, here also extract button, click that, then after here is you see copy this both file, copy that, then after you see in a top button Fusion, and here is a macro editor, here is a file, open, here I already have a rectangle V3, here is all, I delete that both. You copy from here, right click, copy, then minimize that, then after right click, paste here. You see this folder, macro, here is I added in this both file in a macro, cancel, you could not see first time in here. Right click in this box, customize, create toolbar. You can write anything, but I write A. Right click, you click it in this A button, effects, macro. If you cannot see this macro, then you should to restart your Davinci Resolve. After you restart, you could see this rectangle V3. Drag it in here, then lock it. After locked, you could not move it here and there. Then after you can make your own. That's it.